everybody, this is Jonathan, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how to change a theme in ReactOS. So changing a theme basically means making it look like more modern, or making it look like something like Windows XP, or it can change a theme to looking like Windows NT. So it's basically making it look more modern, or making the operating system look older, if you guys like the older look that Windows used to have. So this would be a very simple tutorial and a short video just to show you guys how to install themes and how to activate these themes. Okay, let's get started right now. So what I will do, I'm going to click onto Applications Manager because this is where we'll be installing our themes. Double click onto it. Once I've double click onto it, click onto Themes. And now these are going to be displaying for themes that's available within the system. So we can install Longhorn, we can install Luna, we can install Luna Beta, we can install Windows NT 3, which is like a very old version of Windows, by the way. It's like one of the first versions of Windows that there was. There's also Watercolor Light, so Watercolor gives it like that sort of very nice looking interface in my honest opinion. And we can even install Civ, which I never installed before. But you guys can install that if we truly wanted to. But I'll be installing Windows NT 3 just to show you guys an example. Just double click onto it and now that should be starting to be installed. Now if you guys want to enable it, all you guys need to do is click onto a desktop, go into Properties by doing a right click, and then go to Properties, and then from Properties go into Appearance, and then from here go to the drop down and now select the classic style. And we can also go to color scheme if we truly wanted to, but default is the only option. And we can also change the font size if we truly wanted to, but normal is the only option here. Now if we want to be able to enable that theme, click onto Apply, and now that theme should be enabled, as you guys can see. Isn't it wonderful that we have Windows NT 3 look enabled? Yeah, it's truly going back in time, isn't it? But obviously we can install Watercolor, which is a pretty nice theme. I recommend you guys to also install it. Well guys, here you do just double click onto it, and now that should start to be installed. Click onto Accept, Install, and now as you guys can see, it will pop up with properties for display, and now click onto Apply, and that theme should now be applied, as you guys can see. And I think this is pretty cool. And again, you guys can also change the color scheme if you truly wanted to. So I'm going to change it to silver because silver is an awesome color, as you guys can see. So it looks very odd when it's silver, but you can obviously change it to violet, which is more of a purplish look. So we're going to be able to change the way the colors look. So you can change it back to original color, or I can change it into like being somewhere like violet, and it's to give it more of a purplish look. And you can also change the font size. So you can go for a larger font, or you can go to extra large font and click onto Apply, and that should go through extra large font. But I'm going to go for a normal font because it looks nicer when it's a normal font. Click onto Apply, and now that theme should be activated, as you guys can see. Okay, so I just want to say thanks so much for watching this video. If you guys liked it, please put a like and please subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.